All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So a close shave, a close shave. Ooh, whoa. When something bad, whoa, almost happened. When something bad almost happened, but it didn't. Yeah, that was a close shave. Yeah, we had a close shave last night. Yeah. So here is like a shave, a shaving, a razor to shave. So we shave with this. Makes sense. But a close shave, like the blade is close. Something bad almost happened. So we managed to escape. What a close shave. That thing happened, but I dodged it. Whoo! Close shave. We almost got it. Well, I almost got hit. It was a close shave. How cool is that? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Whoo! So sometimes we get a close shave, not nice. Yeah. So that's like a near miss. Something that almost happened but did not. Whoo! Yeah. Yeah. So like a close shave. So they almost got hit by a car. What a close shave, yeah. I just missed the deadline. Oh, I just got the deadline. I just gave my homework in before the deadline. What a close shave, yes. Like at university, you get the homework in, the coursework assessment done just before the deadline. Whew. What a close shave. We got it in just in time. How cool is that? So, a close shave. When something bad, let's try and get a picture. So sad like bad. So something bad like this. So something bad almost happened. Yeah. Almost happened, but it didn't happen. Whew! How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use close shave in a sentence? Yeah, and comment below. Like the video and subscribe for more to master English and discover the world. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Yeah, just look for English with Adrian. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Nice and big. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.